No, before I sleep, tell me a story.
Okay, I will tell you. Once upon a time in a very old country, there lived a dog and a donkey. They loved each other and helped each other, but one year something terrible happened. Rivers, ponds became dry. The danger was getting closer.
I love you.
I love you too. Good night.
Have a good dream. Please sleep. No, before I sleep, tell me a story.
What type of story you love?
Okay. I love animal stories.
Okay, I will tell you. Be ready.
I am ready. Is it a funny or sad story?
A little bit it is scary and sad, but it is important story.
I need to hear that.
Once upon a time in a very old country, there lived a dog and a donkey. They were married and lived together in a small house near a farm. The dog was careful and thoughtful. The donkey was strong, cheerful, and sometimes a little stubborn. They loved each other and helped each other every day.
Were they happy?
Yes, they were happy because they had food, water, everything, and each other. So they walked all day long.
What did they eat?
The donkey liked grass, leaves, and vegetables. The dog liked simple food and meat.
So they had different food?
Yes, exactly. But one year something terrible happened.
The rain had stopped in their country. What happened? They waited weeks and months, but no rain came.
Rivers, ponds became dry. Grasses became yellow, and leaves began to disappear.
Oh, no!
The golden retriever and miniature donkey looked for food everywhere, but they find nothing. They search everywhere and finally obliged to go another country.
They left their country that is hard.
They have no choices left, and they decided it. The next day, they hold what they had. They said goodbye to their small house and hope they will return safe. The next day, they walked for many hours. The sun was hot, the road was very long, they had very little water left.
Were they very hungry?
Yes, sweetheart. They became weaker and weaker day by day. On the third day, they had almost no food. They became extremely hungry. They were tired and sat around a mountain in a desert. And so they wandered through the forest, searching for shelter as the sun began to set.
Oh, no, sorry. They have no place to sleep.
Yes, and at the midnight, strange sound happens around the cave, and they became scared and worried a lot. After 5 minutes, when they check outside of the cave, they prove that the sound was from the tree branch by the wind.
That is funny.
After many difficult days, finally they reached a new country and saw something wonderful.
What did they see? Their rain comes on time, and there were grasses, green trees, rivers, and fresh water.
As Donkey sees the grass, she started eating, and eat a lot, then drink a lot.
Oh, what about the dog?
The donkey ate more and more grass and leaves again and again.
She must have been very hungry.
Yes, she was hungry, and she did not stop. The dog ordered not to eat too much. She did not listen. She ate more, and her stomach was very full. And she stood up proudly. The donkey, a gray donkey, now became powerful and says, "I am powerful and can fight anyone." At that night, the donkey says, "I need to shout loud. I feel to shout." But the dog refused her shouting. The donkey refused and shouted again and again. The lions and hyenas living nearby came to them. The dog ran as fast as he could. And the donkey tried to run too. But she had eaten far too much. The danger was getting closer. The donkey could not escape. The hyenas attacked the donkey, and sadly, she did not survive. The dog became alone, and he remembered everything, felt sad, and walked for many days and reached peaceful place.
That is a sad story. But the story has important lessons.
What is the lesson of the story?
There are several lessons.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, tell me.
First, we should not waste food. Second, we should not eat over. Third, we should not become too proud.
Okay.
Fourth, we should listen to our friends. Fifth, being strong does not mean fighting everyone.
Okay.
Finally, we should think before we act, because our actions can have consequences.
That is a very good story. I will remember the donkey and the dog. What will you remember? Do not eat too much. Listen to good friends' advices. And do not shout at night.
Now you feel sleep, and tomorrow I will tell you another beautiful story.
Okay, Grandma. I love you.
I love you too. Good night. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast?
Yes, sweetheart.
Okay, I am awake.
You woke up quickly when you heard the word breakfast.
Breakfast is a very important word. It is my favorite word.
What are your other favorite words?
Chocolate, beach, and vacation.
I knew chocolate would be there.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. Now I am hungry. Take this coffee, my love. I am going to farm today.
I will help you. I'm gonna pet the goats.
It's so lovely here, isn't it? We are so happy you made it safely.
What is the name of that ox? That one is called Brownie, and that one is called Rocky.
Why digging by other method?
We do not have other methods. Can I plow too?
No, wait over there with the sheep.
I am okay. Okay, feel free. I feel tired.
Today you become a farmer.
This looks amazing, Mama.
Yes, dig in, everyone.
Daddy, can I have some more?
Before we should wash our hands.
No water here. Just eat.